Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to handle the OR logic or OR filter condition in Power BI paginated reports. If you are new to my channel, please click subscribe button and bell icon to get the latest videos. So let me show you the report first. So I have a simple report where I have two tables. One is without filter, and then right hand side again the same table again without filter. So I have a requirement where I need to handle these conditions. So colors equal to black and brand name equal to Contoso. So I need to handle them in OR statement. Color equal to black or brand name equal to Contoso. So if that is the requirement, I have to apply that filter condition on the tablix level. So this will be same if you try to do the same kind of a filter in dataset level. So you can go to dataset and you can go to the filter section and you can apply the same logic here. So now I'm trying to show you in the tablix. So I can go here and I can add a color, and I can type the color name as black. So this will filter only the black color. So the requirement is I need to add the brand name, and I need to filter only Contosa. Right, so if I add like this, right, so by default this report builder will consider these two as a AND statement. So which means it will look for a color black, and if it is look for it will look for brand name as Contosa. If both are there, then this will go as a true statement and it will show only those results. Right, so if I run this report, here you can see we have only 4 records which has both Contoso and color black, but our requirement is we need to show either black or Contoso or both, right? So that's our statement. So how to handle that? So we don't have a direct option here, so it is always going to be and operator. So to handle the OR logic, we have to just keep only one. So in case if you have multiple OR and then again that is splitted with AND operator, then you can have multiple. So let me show you the one single scenario where I have OR logic where I need to filter color equal to black or brand name equal to Contosa. So I need to keep only one expression and go to expression. Here there are two different ways which you can handle it. Let me show you the first option or first way. So just say color name dot value equal to black, and I am just closing this. So here I have to add a separator. Here I need to use a separator called or else. Right, so this is operator, and again I have another condition. So the condition is brand name equal to Contoso. Just type Contoso. Right, that's it. Just click OK. So we are handling the OR expression here, OR logic, and this is operator is going to be equal to. So this expression will return the result either true or false. So we have to set the data type as Boolean, and we need to set the result as true. So true in the sense it is going to consider that OR logic. So it is going to show either black or Contosa or both. Alright, so just click OK and just run the report. So here you can see we have black color, and if you see here we don't have black, but we have a brand name as Contoso. So we got the result. So this is how we have to handle it. So as I said, we have another way. Let me show you that. So that we can handle through if else statement. Let me go to same filter and go to expression. Here I'm going to write if else. If color equal to black, again or else this Contoso, then print 1 else 0. So here the result is either 1 or 0. So I can say the data type is integer and I need 1. So I need to get that OR logic done. So I can say 1. If I don't want to handle that OR logic, I can say 0. So in this case I'm just going to set it as 1. Just run the report. So we will be getting the same result. So here it is going to show black. If black is not there, it is going to check for the brand name Contoso, then it is going to show it here. I hope you like this trick. Thank you.